What's going on, guys? Today is Monday. It's a great trading day. Today I'm gonna be going over the Euro USD, NAS100, and US30 for potential trades that I'm gonna be taking throughout the week. So first thing I like to do is I like to start off on a 4 hour, but I've already kind of did that. So I'm gonna just kind of make this one quick because most of the times I'm not trading on Mondays. But I'm gonna start off with the 1 hour, then drop down to the 15 minute to highlight the supply demand order block, and then I'm gonna go in for the 3 minute for like my potential entries. Okay, so let's go ahead first start off with Euro USD. All right, so for Euro USD, I like to trade London and New York price action, so nothing in Asian session at all. So Friday we had touched like somewhere like right here. This was actually perfect because over on this side, you could see a buy to sell candle, which is hidden on the 1 hour, but on the 15 minute it's visible. So that was a very high zone. Also, it came in confluence with London, which is like labeled in blue right here, highlighted in blue. So it was definitely a confluence right there. Today we had a massive sell-off, which was at the start or the high of New York session. So it mitigated this whole order block. I would say that this order block right here is good and valid and stuff like that. So we'll definitely take a look at that. So the first alert that I'm going to be putting is right there. And let me see, we got an order block. Let me see right here, but we're about to touch it right now. I don't know what's going to happen in London session. So let's go, New York session. So I'm gonna go down a little bit more to get some more information. Okay. All right, so this, I renounced that is because like there's barely any wicks, but I do see a setup right here that just ends up pushing all the way over here. And I'm gonna put an alert for right there. And that's basically it. I'm gonna go down to the 3 minute when it's time to take the trade. I'll actually post that too. So right now we're going to US30. All right, so US30 on the 1 hour, I'm gonna explain that real quick. So just like on Friday, it hit the zone right here. It's a clean buy to sell candle on this side. I'm gonna show you right now. It's hitting on the 15 minute. But you can see it's right here. It's right here. So the fact that it was hitting and stuff like that, it makes it just kind of more better to get in and stuff like that. So after we had got this thing over there, we just waited, and there is no entries that I can see on US30 as of now. Really waiting for New York session to open because it's Monday, but one thing that I do see right here, I do see price action doing this. All right, so now that we got that, I'm going down to the 15 minute to see if we can refine this a little bit better. And that looks pretty good. Let me see. I think this is about 95, 30. It's like a 90 pip drop. I'm gonna go down to 3 minutes, see if I can refine this a little bit more. Okay, so I like this much better. Let me see. So we got 68 to 12. So it's about 40 pips and stuff. It could go higher or lower and stuff. So we'll figure that out. So I didn't do this on Euro USD, but I'm about to. So I like to mark the highs and the lows of the previous trading days and stuff. So this was the high of the day. This was the low of the day, which we're about to cross right now. And then this right here was the previous low of the day. So having alerts there and stuff like that kind of keeps me to know what price is kind of doing on each session. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for Euro USD real quick. see. So that was our previous low of the day. This right here is this may be our high of the day right here. This is our previous high of the day. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that as the previous high of the day. All right, and then all we need is the low of the day that happened during that session. So already what I'm seeing now right here, this is the previous, no, this is actually the low of the day. So the fact that it was the low of the day, I've actually seen some new information now. There's a little tiny order block right up here that might be mitigated. And though I said that I don't trade anything with Asian session and stuff like that, it's just that it came in confluence with the price action that I'm having right now. Now this could be like completely invalid, like it could just completely blow it out and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and see, because my real target is up there, but just for a short sell, it might just end up coming to that particular zone. All right, so now that we did Euro USD, US30, we're now gonna go to NAS100.